Hello there. I'm George, and welcome to Wealth Academy. Here, we're all about empowering you with knowledge, specifically the kind that will help you build a strong financial future. So if you're curious about the world of finance and investments, you've come to the right place. As a part of our community, you can expect to learn, grow, and even have a bit of fun along the way. We'll explore the ins and outs of money management, investment principles, and much more. But to make sure you don't miss out on any of these insightful episodes, do hit that subscribe button. Your support is key to the growth of this channel and helps us reach more people just like you. Now that we've got the introductions out of the way, let's dive into today's topic, investment fundamentals for teenagers. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on an exciting journey. You might be wondering why a teenager should even think about investing. Well, let's dive in. The earlier you start investing, the more time you allow your money to grow. And here's where the magic begins with something called compound interest. Let's imagine for a moment, you've got a magical penny that doubles in value every day. Day 1, you have 1 penny. Day 2, you've got 2 pennies. It doesn't seem like much, right? But by day 30, believe it or not, you'd have over $5 million. That's the power of compounding, where your earnings generate even more earnings over time. Now, you might not find a magical penny, but the principle is the same when you invest wisely. Your investments could earn interest, and then that interest could earn interest, and so on. This cycle allows your wealth to grow exponentially over time. But it's not just about compound interest. There's also the concept of time value of money. The idea here is that money available now is worth more than the same amount in the future. Why? Because money you have now can be invested, earn interest, and increase in value. Let's say you invest $100 today, and it grows at an annual rate of 5%. In 1 year, you'd have $105. But if you waited a year to invest that same $100, you'd miss out on that $5 of growth. That's the opportunity cost of waiting to invest. In essence, the earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow, and the more you can benefit from the power of compound interest and the time value of money. So don't be deterred by the amount you have to start with. Whether it's $10, $100, or $1,000, the important thing is to start. Remember, you're not just saving or investing for the sake of it. You're building a strong financial foundation for your future. So as you can see, starting young can give you a significant advantage. Knowledge is power, especially in the world of investing. And the best way to gain knowledge is through reading. Let's dive into some must-read books for budding teen investors that will give you a head start on your financial journey. First up is The Snowball, Warren Buffett and the Business of Life by Alice Schroeder. This book dives deep into the life and investment strategies of Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time. It's not just a book about money, but also about life philosophy, decision-making, and patience, all crucial elements in the investing world. The lessons you'll learn from Buffett's experiences are priceless and are sure to inspire you to start investing wisely. Next on the list is The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins. This is a fantastic book for beginners. It simplifies complex finance jargon and focuses on the basics of investing, providing a clear roadmap to financial independence. It's a guide that will help you understand the importance of saving, investing, and staying out of debt. Then we have I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. This book is a 6-week program that focuses on practical applications. It's about managing money and smart investing, but it also talks about how to live a rich life in all aspects, not just financial. Sethi's approach to money is all about using it as a tool to create the life you want. Last but not least, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham is often referred to as the Bible of investing. This book is a bit more technical, but don't let that scare you. It's filled with timeless advice on investing and lays out strategies that have been proven over decades. Benjamin Graham was actually Warren Buffett's teacher, so you know you're getting top-tier advice. Now, why are these books so important? Well, they offer a wealth of knowledge from some of the best minds in finance. They'll help you understand the principles of investing, the importance of patience and long-term thinking, and how to avoid common pitfalls. But more than that, these books are about more than just making money. They're about financial freedom, independence, and making smart decisions that will benefit you for a lifetime. Remember, investing isn't just about making quick money. It's about understanding the market, making informed decisions, and being patient. These books will not only teach you about finance, but also about life, decision-making, and resilience. These books are a great start, but they're just that, a start. The world of investing is vast and constantly changing, so never stop learning. Read widely, stay informed, and always be curious. So, pick up one of these books, start reading, and take the first steps on your journey to financial independence. Investing isn't just about money, it's also about investing in yourself. Let's take a moment to think about that. What does it mean to invest in yourself? Well, it's about exploring life, trying different things, and discovering what truly ignites a fire within you. It's about finding your passion. That's just as important as understanding the stock market or the principles of compound interest. Why, you ask? Well, imagine you're a teenager who loves video games. You spend hours playing them, studying them, and discussing them with your friends. Now, if you were to invest in a video game company, wouldn't you have an edge? You understand the industry, you know what makes a game popular, and you can see trends before others do. That's an example of how your personal interests can lead to profitable investments. But it's not just about making money. Your passions can also guide you towards fulfilling careers. Let's say you're passionate about the environment. You might choose to invest in green technologies or pursue a career in environmental science. By aligning your investments and career choices with your passions, you're not just building wealth, you're building a life you love. So how do you find your passions? It's all about exploration. Try different activities. Maybe you'll find you love playing the guitar, or perhaps you're a natural at soccer. Maybe you love coding, or perhaps you're fascinated by the stars in the night sky. There's a whole world of possibilities out there. The key is to try, fail, learn, and try again. And remember, it's okay if your interests change over time. You're not locked into one path. The important thing is to stay curious, to keep exploring, and to keep learning. That's how you grow, and that's how you find opportunities others may miss. So as you start your investment journey, don't forget to invest in yourself. Explore your interests, find your passions, and use them as a guide. Remember, your passions can be a great guide in your investment journey. All right, now let's talk about some practical steps to get started with investing. First things first, you'll need to open a bank account. This is your financial home base, where you'll deposit your money and from where you'll make your investments. Opening a bank account is relatively simple. You'll need some form of identification, your social security number, and a minimum deposit amount. There are many banks out there, so take your time and choose one that suits your needs and offers good customer service. Next up is getting a credit card. Now I know what you're thinking. George, aren't credit cards a trap? Well, they can be if not used responsibly. But when used wisely, they can help you build a good credit score, which is essential for your financial future. It's important to understand that a credit card is not free money. You will have to pay back what you spend, and if you don't pay in full each month, you'll incur interest charges. So be sure to use your credit card sparingly and always pay off your balance in full. Now let's talk about retirement accounts. Yes, retirement might seem a long way off, but the earlier you start, the better. There are two main types of individual retirement accounts, or IRAs, that you should consider: a Roth IRA and a traditional IRA. A Roth IRA allows you to contribute after-tax income, and then when you retire, you can withdraw the money tax-free. This is a great option if you believe your taxes will be higher in retirement than they are now. On the other hand, a traditional IRA allows you to contribute pre-tax income, which can lower your taxable income now. However, when you withdraw the money in retirement, it will be taxed as regular income. This could be a better option if you think your taxes will be lower in retirement. The next step is making your first investment. There are many investment platforms and apps out there that are suited for beginners. Some of these platforms allow you to buy fractional shares, which means you don't have to buy a whole share of a company. You can start with as little as $5. Remember, the stock market can be volatile, and there's always a risk of losing money. Therefore, it's important to do your research before you invest. Lastly, let's talk about tracking your expenses. Knowing where your money is going is key to managing your finances and building wealth. There are many budgeting apps out there that can help you keep track of your spending. These apps can categorize your expenses so you can see how much you're spending on things like food, entertainment, and transportation. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Remember, becoming a savvy investor doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, patience, and continuous learning. But with these practical steps, you're well on your way to building a strong financial future. These are your first steps towards becoming a savvy investor. There's a wealth of information out there, and it's important to know where to look. The internet is your friend when it comes to learning about investing. Websites like Investopedia and The Motley Fool offer a plethora of articles, definitions, and explanations that can help you understand the complexities of the financial world. Khan Academy also has a series of finance and capital market courses that are completely free. Now, let's talk tools. To help you manage your finances, consider using budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB, short for You Need a Budget. These apps can help you track your income, expenses, and savings, which is crucial in your investing journey. For investing, there are apps designed to be user-friendly and perfect for beginners. Look for platforms that offer educational content, user-friendly interfaces, and the ability to start with small amounts of money. With these resources at your fingertips, you're well equipped to start your investing journey. We've covered a lot of ground today, so let's recap. We kicked things off by understanding why it's beneficial to start investing young. We learned about the magic of compound interest and the value of time in growing your wealth. We then delved into some must-read books that can equip you with the fundamentals of investing and personal finance and inspire you with stories of successful investors. We also discussed the importance of exploring life and finding your passion, which can guide your investment choices and career paths. Next, we walked through practical steps to start investing, from opening a bank account, responsibly using a credit card, to choosing between a Roth IRA and a traditional IRA. We also touched on making your first investment and the importance of tracking your expenses. Finally, we highlighted some resources and tools to help you learn more about investing. Remember, your journey to financial independence begins today. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video, and subscribe to our channel for more financial wisdom. Until next time, happy investing.